Hi, this is Andrea Schulman again, and in today's quick Law of Attraction video, I'm going to share a tip with you on how to make the Law of Attraction work for you rather than against you. Because if you've been playing around with the Law of Attraction, you've probably seen by now that it could go either way. But this is a very important factor that is often glossed over or overlooked, and it can make a real difference in the quality of the reality that you're constructing with the Law of Attraction. But first, if you're watching this video on my website or on YouTube, please make sure to subscribe because I do put out new content each week. Also, if you are watching this video on YouTube or Facebook, please turn on your notifications so that you see these videos when they come out. Anyways, let's go ahead and talk about how to make the Law of Attraction work for you rather than against you. Okay, so to make the Law of Attraction work for you rather than against you, there is one little thing, it's actually a very big thing, but it's a little thing that you can do that will have profound results. And it is simply to take responsibility for your life as it is, exactly as it is, as much as you can. Now first, let me point out that when I say take responsibility for your life, I don't mean to beat up on yourself for the parts of it you don't like. I don't mean to shame yourself or guilt yourself because you happen to manifest something that you didn't like. Okay, because all that really does, that's completely counterproductive. It just puts you in this downward spiral where you're feeling bad about yourself and you keep creating more things that you don't like. So taking responsibility isn't about saying you deserve that, you deserve to be punished, shame on you. But rather, taking responsibility simply means acknowledging that you are responsible for resonating where you're resonating. See, reality is shifting and changing all the time based on the vibrational frequency that we are at. What we choose to focus on, how we choose to feel, what we choose to think about is what dials us into our realities. And every last one of us has found ourselves in a lower frequency from time to time. Every single one of us has found us in a reality that we didn't prefer quite so much. All right, at least that's been my experience, is that that's happened to pretty much everyone that I know. So this isn't to say that if you happen to align with a reality that isn't preferred that you're bad, but just that to acknowledge that, oh, I got myself here. Somebody else didn't do it to me. The weather didn't do it to me. The driving conditions didn't do it to me. I tuned into this place where the people weren't so great, or the driving conditions weren't that great, or the weather sucked. I did that. Now, this goes in reverse also. It also means taking responsibility for all the good in your life. See, a lot of times people are self-deprecating. Something good happens, oh, it was just luck, or oh, that person just felt like being nice, or, I didn't really deserve it. No, taking responsibility means that whatever you got, if it was good, you dialed into it. Now, responsibility, a lot of people don't like the idea of responsibility, again, because it makes them feel like they're at fault or they did something wrong. But honestly, if you take responsibility for all of it, you are really putting yourself in a fantastic position to allow the Law of Attraction to work for you. Now, the biggest reason why this is that when you decide that you're going to basically tell yourself all the time that you're responsible for it, that has its own signature vibration. That message basically screams out to the universe, I know I'm the creator of my reality. I'm the creator of my reality, and I know I'm the creator of my reality. In opposition, if we're in the habit of not taking responsibility, giving the credit to outside circumstances for good or bad, what we're saying is, I don't believe I'm the creator of my reality. I think other things outside of me are controlling everything. I have no potential to actually make any of this happen. It's everything outside of me that has the control. It's not me. All right. And so those are two very different mantras that people are playing at given times in their lives. And people who more dominantly express responsibility for where they're at step more into a true creator vibe where they understand that, okay, I'm the one who's creating this, So let me give myself the best advantage to create it the way that I want. Taking responsibility. It's not about shaming yourself. Again, if you end up somewhere negative, so what? Just tell yourself, oh, okay, I've got myself aligned here. No big deal. I'm the creator of my reality. All I got to do is tune myself somewhere else. Take responsibility for your vibration. Take responsibility for your focus. Take responsibility for your creation. Just acknowledge that it's yours rather than giving your power away. Thanks so much for watching this quick video. Again, please remember to subscribe and turn on your notifications. And of course, please make sure to have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.